Welcome back, everyone. Today's episode is super practical and perfect for beginners. We're talking about life at home.
Finally, something I'm an expert in, staying at home and doing nothing.
You'll see, we're going to talk about rooms, furniture, daily activities, and phrases you can use every day.
Okay, teacher, I'm ready. I think.
First, repeat after me. The living room,
The living room,
the kitchen,
the kitchen,
the bedroom,
the bedroom,
the bathroom,
the bathroom,
the backyard.
the backyard.
Great! These are essential words. You use them daily without even thinking.
True, and the backyard is the best room in the house.
It's not exactly a room, but I'll allow it. Now let's learn some useful furniture words. Repeat after me. Couch,
Couch,
table,
table,
chair,
chair,
bed,
bed,
desk.
desk.
Excellent.
That one I know very well, the bed. Very intimate relationship.
Don't worry, we'll talk about your sleep habits later. Okay, now I'll say the activity and you repeat. Ready? Wake up.
Wake up,
Make the bed.
make the bed,
Take a shower.
take a shower,
Cook breakfast.
cook breakfast,
Relax on the couch.
relax on the couch.
Perfect. These are natural, everyday phrases.
I like relax on the couch. Very realistic vocabulary.
I know you too well. Now let's practice. Leo, I'll ask simple questions, answer naturally. What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m.
Good. What do you do after you wake up?
I take a shower and then I make breakfast.
Excellent. And where do you eat breakfast?
In the kitchen, unless I'm late, then I eat in the car.
Good honesty. Repeat after me. I clean the house.
I clean the house.
I do the dishes.
I do the dishes.
I do laundry.
I do laundry.
I organize my room.
I organize my room.
Excellent. Do you do these things often, Leo?
I do some of them. I'll let you guess which ones.
I won't. I'm scared of the answer. Okay, let's continue. Leo, do you cook at home?
Sometimes, yes, but usually just pasta.
Classic. And do you clean the kitchen after you cook?
Yes, otherwise pasta becomes a monster the next day.
Good routine. And do you do laundry once a week?
More like once every crisis.
That's not a schedule, Leo. Now let's learn how to describe your home. Repeat after me. My home is small but comfortable.
My home is small but comfortable.
My living room is bright.
My living room is bright.
My bedroom is cozy.
My bedroom is cozy.
I spend most of my time in the living room.
I spend most of my time in the living room.
Great! These phrases sound natural and are perfect for beginners.
I like them. They make my house sound nicer than it really is.
See, English can improve your life instantly.
So far, so good. No homework, right?
We'll see. In the next part, we're going even deeper. More daily activities, objects around the house, describing your routine, and a longer conversation practice.
Okay, I can handle it. I think.
Let's begin with common household objects. Repeat after me. Remote control,
Remote control.
lamp,
Lamp.
mirror,
Mirror.
trash can,
Trash can.
rug.
Rug.
Excellent. These are words you see every day.
Definitely the remote control. That's a sacred object.
Only for people who watch too much TV.
Hey, I consider it cultural education.
Sure, Leo, sure. Okay, kitchen time. Repeat after me. Stove,
Stove,
fridge,
fridge,
sink,
sink,
cupboard,
cupboard,
pan.
pan.
Perfect. Now your kitchen English is stronger.
Good. If someone asks me to cook, at least I can point at things confidently.
That's already 50% of cooking. Let's practice. What do you usually keep in your fridge?
Mostly water, eggs, and things I forgot to throw away.
Leo, no.
I know, I'll clean it today. Probably.
Good. And do you cook on the stove every day?
Not every day, but I use the microwave religiously.
That still counts as cooking, I guess. Now let's move to the bathroom. Repeat after me. Toothbrush,
Toothbrush,
toothpaste,
toothpaste,
shampoo,
shampoo,
towel,
towel,
mirror.
mirror.
Great. These are daily use words.
Yes, and the mirror is the enemy in the morning.
Don't say that. Mirrors are honest friends.
Too honest.
Leo, what's the first thing you do in the bathroom in the morning?
I brush my teeth.
Good. And do you take long showers?
Depends. If I'm thinking about life, yes. If I'm late, 30 seconds.
Very relatable. Now, repeat some full sentences. I clean my room every week.
I clean my room every week.
I do laundry on weekends.
I do laundry on weekends.
I cook dinner at home.
I cook dinner at home.
I relax in the living room after work.
I relax in the living room after work.
Excellent. These are natural, simple, clear expressions.
I like them. They make my life sound more organized than it is.
That's the magic of English. What time do you usually get home, Leo?
Around 6 p.m.,
And what's the first thing you do?
I take off my shoes and sit on the couch. Immediately.
Good routine. And after that?
I make dinner or order something if I'm too tired.
Very normal. And what do you usually do at night?
Watch TV, study a little, and go to bed.
Great. You're describing your nightly routine perfectly. Now repeat after me. I'm cleaning the house.
I'm cleaning the house.
I'm organizing my closet.
I'm organizing my closet.
I'm cooking right now.
I'm cooking right now.
I'm relaxing in my room.
I'm relaxing in my room.
Excellent. These sentences help you describe what you're doing in real time.
Perfect for texting someone when I don't want to go out.
I had a feeling you'd use them that way. Amazing job, Leo. You're improving a lot.
And I'm finally learning how to describe my messy house.
In the next part, we'll finish with more advanced home vocabulary, extra daily expressions, a long natural conversation, and a final wrap-up.
Okay, teacher. I'm ready for the grand finale.
You've done great so far. And now we'll complete your home vocabulary and practice a full natural conversation.
I'm ready. My home English is getting powerful.
Yes, soon you'll be able to give tourists a house tour in perfect English.
Let's not get crazy, Anna.
We'll see. Repeat after me. Bedsheet,
Bedsheet,
pillowcase,
pillowcase,
nightstand,
nightstand,
closet,
closet,
blanket.
blanket.
Excellent. These words help you describe your bedroom more specifically.
I like nightstand. Sounds elegant.
Yes, very fancy for someone with socks on the floor.
Wow. Personal attack.
Just teaching English and honesty. Leo, what do you keep on your nightstand?
My phone, a glass of water, and sometimes snacks.
Snacks?
Midnight hunger is real.
I'm learning too much about you today. Repeat after me. Laundry basket,
Laundry basket,
washing machine,
washing machine,
dryer,
dryer,
vacuum cleaner,
vacuum cleaner,
cleaning supplies.
cleaning supplies.
Very good.
I think I know these words, but I don't use them enough in real life.
So you're telling me you avoid cleaning?
I prefer the term minimal cleaning lifestyle.
That's not a thing, Leo. How often do you do laundry?
Usually once a week.
And do you fold your clothes right away?
Uh, no comment.
That's a no.
I didn't say that.
But you didn't deny it either.
Okay, fine. I fold them. Eventually.
Repeat these useful phrases. I'm watching TV.
I'm watching TV.
I'm chilling on the couch.
I'm chilling on the couch.
I'm cleaning the living room.
I'm cleaning the living room.
I'm turning on the lights.
I'm turning on the lights.
Excellent. These expressions are perfect for describing activities at home.
I'm definitely using chilling on the couch. That one is my personality.
I'm not surprised. Okay, Leo, let's put everything together in a longer conversation. Ready?
Ready to sound like a responsible adult.
We'll see. Describe your home to someone visiting for the first time.
Okay. My home has a small living room with a couch, a TV, and a coffee table. My kitchen is simple. I have a stove, a fridge, and a microwave that I use too much. My bathroom has a shower, a mirror, and all the usual things. My bedroom is cozy, with a bed, a nightstand, and a closet full of clothes I still need to organize.
That actually sounds very natural. And which room do you spend the most time in?
The living room. I relax there after work.
And which room do you clean the least?
The closet.
That was quick.
I'm being honest for the English learning community.
Honesty appreciated. Repeat after me. I'm organizing my home.
I'm organizing my home.
I need to clean the kitchen.
I need to clean the kitchen.
My house is a mess.
My house is a mess.
Everything is clean and tidy.
Everything is clean and tidy.
Great job. These are simple, natural, everyday phrases.
Yes, but my house is a mess feels too real.
Then use it as motivation to clean.
I'll think about it.
Let's review everything quickly. Living room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, laundry room. You learned vocabulary for all of them.
Yes, I feel like I can describe any part of my house now.
And you practice sentences for daily activities. Cooking, cleaning, relaxing, doing laundry.
My English is better than my real home routine.
That's okay. One step at a time.
And this is the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to listen to our other lessons and practice speaking out loud with us.
And remember, don't judge my cleaning habits. I'm working on it.
See you in the next episode.
See you, everyone.